Thank you so much. So, namaste to all the listeners, and I am RJ Param, and you are listening to Radio Puneri Awaz 107.8 FM. Stay happy and spread happiness. Khush raho, khushiyan baato. So, you are welcome to this special program series, and we are starting this under the title of Mountain Movers. The youth of today need to become somebody who can move the mountains of troubles, move the mountains of situations and issues and problems. So, what does this program actually do? This program entails experience based learning. जो जो चीजें एक्सपीरियंस करी लोगों ने यहाँ पे यूथ ने वो सारी चीजों को यूथ हमारे साथ में आके शेयर करेंगे and what we're going to do is we're going to take each individual, and that individual is going to come onto this radio as a guest speaker and share their experiences. Now, the youth of this country, let me say something to put some limelight onto this, and the youth of the world are the foundation for a better tomorrow. We all know this very well. But if we learn the right method to move the mountainous issues and problems of the society today, whether it's mental, whether it's physical, whether it's societal issues, if the youth of today come ahead, come forward, and they can take part in moving such mountains of tasks and situations, I believe personally that we'll have a better tomorrow. And for the next generation coming ahead, they're going to be at much more peace and happiness. And maybe it is not rage that conquers the hearts of other people. Maybe it is the race towards righteousness. So we're going to explore that also today over here. And what we're going to do in these new episodes is that we're going to talk a lot about how youth are moving ahead and joining our channel. To tell you a fact, in fact, we've got around 900 plus participants today with Radio Puneri Awaz under the flagship of Youth for Global Peace Program. Now, what does this program do? It has got different themes and different topics. And under these themes and different topics, which I explained to the youth beforehand, they undergo such drastic changes in their lifestyle, in their thinking, in their physical aspects also of their physical body also. And they earn certain points. At the same time, they even earn certifications on completion of these programs. Now, what is the purpose of these activities? There has to be something which they gain out of it, right? So the first thing which we have seen or which we have experienced is that they have a holistic outlook when it comes to mental, physical, social, and spiritual awakening. The second thing which they experience over here is that they're able to harness the power or the energy within themselves, and they're able to overcome the challenges in the present world scenario. And the third thing is that we help them to engage in a positive youth group, and they are able to help out the society members और उनकी मदद कर पाते हैं बहुत सारे लोगों की एंड स्पेशली सेवा करना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है जो कि आज हर किसी को चाहिए दैट इज व्हाट दे एबल टू डू सो हियर इन द यूथ from around the world there are certain activities which were done and they had experienced four different activities. Let me name a couple of them. The first one was sow the seed कि आप संकल्पों से भी रचना कर सकते हैं बीज की उसको तो हम जानते हैं लेकिन साथ साथ अगर आप एक बीज को एक पौधे का रूप दे दें मिट्टी में डाल करके और उसकी पालना करें अपने संकल्पों के द्वारा तो बहुत ही सुंदर हो जाता है तो वो एक एक्सपीरियंस रहा फिर दूसरा एक्सपीरियंस था एक्ट नाउ सेव द एनर्जी कि आप जो ऊर्जा है जैसे इस समय जो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है सामने मेरे लैंप है तो ये लैंप भी मैं बहुत ज्यादा समय तक ना चलाऊं इसकी भी एनर्जी को मैं कंजर्व करूं तो कैसे मैं एनर्जी को कंजर्व करूं तो एक्ट नाउ सेव द एनर्जी इसकी अवेयरनेस फैलाई गई थी उसके बाद में यूथ एंड योगा अगर आप डिफरेंट आसन करते हैं और इसके द्वारा आप अपनी फिजिकल बॉडी को हेल्दी रखते हैं ताकि आप एक केपेबल यूथ हो पाए यू एबल टू हेल्प अदर पीपल अराउंड एट द राइट टाइम एट द राइट मोमेंट एट द राइट प्लेस वो कितना अच्छा रहेगा राइट एंड जो चौथी चीज थी वो था सर्विंग द एलिमेंट्स हमारे संकल्प ही 5 तत्वों को हेल्प कर सकते हैं तो इन चारों चीजों के ऊपर हमने बातचीत करी तो अब मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा आई विल मूव अहेड and I'm going to introduce one of the participants who is there with us as a guest speaker. I am going to welcome Mrs. Jyoti Mehta. Welcome, Mrs. Jyoti Mehta.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah, so let me introduce Mrs. Jyoti Mehta over here. She is a chartered psychologist and she's recognized by the British Psychological Society. Am I right, Mrs. Jyoti?
That's correct.
And she's also a mental health professional with over 5 years of work experience. वो बहुत सारी souls को, बहुत सारे लोगों को वो phone calls में आजकल जैसे कोविड चल रहा है और साथ ही साथ अगर पर्सनल मीट कर पाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। वो तो वो जानती हैं कि पर्सनल मीटिंग कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है एज कम्पेयर टू आपका फोन पे बात करना, लेकिन फिर भी वो हम हमारे साथ में कुछ शेयर करेंगे एक्सपीरियंसेस कि कैसे वो अपने इन सारे प्रोग्राम्स के थ्रू अपने आप को मेंटली पावरफुल बना पाई हैं और साथ ही साथ और लोगों को कि कैसे वो हेल्प कर पा रही है ये एक्सपीरियंस के द्वारा। सो अब इन सारी चीज़ों में मिसेस ज्योति कि आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या हुए थे एंड आपने ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन क्यों किया? स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले स्टेप के साथ में, बताइए।
Sure. Firstly, thank you for having me here. I'm very glad कि मैं इस यूथ ग्रुप का पार्ट थी और आज मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर पा रही हूँ सबके साथ। तो मैंने ये ग्रुप क्यों ज्वाइन किया? I think especially in the pandemic, when we were all stuck at home, हम सबको एक opportunity मिला था, and I think that's how I came across this group. Initially, जैसे कि हम कोई भी नया start करते हैं उससे पहले we are always thoughtful about if should we give it a try or not. So initially, I just wanted to give it a go to say, okay, let me just see what they offer, and I think my experience with it was beautiful. Pandemic में while there was so much happening around, बहुत जरूरी था कि we turned towards something जिससे हम अपना ध्यान रख सके. And like you mentioned, I think with my profession being around helping people, I think I'm also taught very importantly that as much as I have to be for others, I have to take care of my own self as well. So I think ये group was my way of doing my bit of self-care. And yeah, that's how that's the reason why I actually joined this.
Lovely, because many people, they experienced a lot of changes in their life. And बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने लाइफ में जो चेंजेस लाए हैं, आई थिंक जो 4 एक्टिविटीज हैं इन सब के साथ में ही बहुत कुछ चेंजेस आए हैं सबके साथ में। तो आपने भी एक एक्टिविटीज करी एंड आई बिलीव ये सारी एक्टिविटीज में आपको सर्टिफिकेट्स भी अगर शायद से मिले हों या पॉइंट्स मिले हों, वो तो खुशी देते ही देते हैं, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट खुशी तो अंदर की दिल की खुशी होती है। दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। तो आपने एक्टिविटीज करी, उसमें से कुछ आप शेयर करेंगे कि कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज, आपको क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुए?
Absolutely. So so I tried to do, so the best part of this youth group challenge is कि एक तो हर महीने there's a new concept, a new theme to work around. So it's not very boring. And I think that's what we youth want, isn't it? Like we can't do the same thing all over again. So har mahine there is new opportunity. So there's not something to learn. There's something new to try. Apart from that, I think we being youth in this era have so much on our plate already ki shayad if someone just says, oh, 1 hour, you know, you have to take out 1 hour for yourself, ya fir meditation 1 ghanta karna hai. So I think the beauty of this project or this program was sometimes when I was busy, I could do them for 15 minutes in a day. So I think that is an important factor that kept me at it. And it did not mean कि मुझे बहुत सारे घंटे अपने spend करने थे, but it could just mean that I could contribute or do you know, these activities while I was working. So I didn't have to go spend extra time, you know, or take out some extra time from my day, but I could just like involve and include it in my daily living. So say when you're talking about so some of the things that I did was the save energy one. I think as far as I know ki when you're doing an activity, the idea is that you kind of keep doing for a long time. And sometimes we think, oh, what if it's just a 10-day thing or a 15-day, you know, theme that you're following for the month. But I think that is a very beautiful first step because that's where we experience it. तो जो हमने किया, भले हम शुरुआत में ये सोच रहे हैं कि सिर्फ 10 दिन के लिए है, it teaches us from our own experiences कि it has so much to do. Because like even small things like saving energy में से हम काफी बार हमारे लैपटॉप्स चार्ज हो रहे होते हैं तो we just leave the, you know, switches on, तो वो बंद करना हो, या our lamps we just leave it on and just, you know, don't switch it off from the main button. Or even from as small as while you're brushing or you're bathing, we just run the tap on, and so I think even small bits of, okay, you can close it for a while, or say, do I need to iron all the clothes at different time? Should I heat my food different time, या फिर मैं एक साथ सब कुछ cook करके heat कर सकते हैं? I think so. These were the strategies which I think new things that I learned and I explored through these activities. And beautiful part of being this of this project was कि her activity में we were guided. So there were some suggestions, there were things that we could try, which is I think the beautiful part, because कुछ चीजें शायद आपको पता होती है, but बहुत कुछ आप शायद सीखते हैं. Another bit which I loved about this month's activity was serving the elements.
Okay.
I think with helping humans, I was able to also contribute to the elements or the nature. And I think that was a beautiful combination of the meditation and, positive vibration for nature, especially when we are we see COVID around. I mean, no better time than realizing that one must need to contribute to our nature as well. So I think these were two of my favorites, and the ones that I, enjoyed doing this month.
Yes, I understand, Mrs. Jyoti, what you're trying to say over here is that when we think about taking care of people on a psychological basis, and we neglect the 5 elements. Actually, if you think about it, this body is also 5 elemental body. And if we take care of the 5 elements, I believe it will affect our physical senses also, our physical body also. I hope something like that was also shared with you. And I've even heard that our thoughts have an effect on 5 elements to a very large extent. What do you have to say about that?
I think it's a very interesting concept. And I think it's a little, like I said, शायद हम उस फेज में हैं इस समय कि हम even basic self-care नहीं कर पा रहे हैं आजकल, because there's so much happening around us and we are literally like rushing, especially we, the youth. There's so much happening. There's so much pressure to get a job. There's so much pressure to compete. So I think ये बहुत beautiful, like you said, it's a very beautiful thing to understand कि आप भी important है, आपके thoughts आपको भी affect करते हैं. At the same time, there's something called vibrations, and that kind of affects the things around you, and of course, including the nature. So yeah, I think it's a beautiful, and like anything else in the world, ये भी एक ऐसी चीज है जो आप experience करके ही, you will feel the difference.
Exactly. It's like, what I have learned is that even while taking bath or while cooking, you thank the 5 elements, you thank the water because that's helping you out wash the vegetables. You thank the water because that's keeping my body clean. I generally practice that, which I've learned through meditation. So that is one of the things which I do. Apart from that, what other activities have you tried to do with the thought process which you're talking about serving the elements? Can you share with me?
Sure. So I think one of the activities were also about sowing the seed. And because the month, like all of us know that the previous month had International Yoga Day as well as the Environment Day. So the idea was not just, while we know, especially in these days, we have a lot of people planting trees. But I think the most beautiful part was that it's not just planting that seed in there, but also taking care of it.
Exactly.
I think that's the beauty, and that's what is more important. And not just when we were talking about taking care, I think through this project, we also learned that not just watering it, but if you do some positive affirmations, or thoughts, or say vibration, however you want to name it, I think it's the similar thing that we all are talking.
Exactly.
That kind of affects, and I think they are evidence-based, like the proper research wherein they have put 2 different plants wherein बहुत music therapy के end से भी there are a lot of research कि एक को positive music बजाए, एक को there's a sad music, or say positive words बोले versus negative, and you would see how the plant grows. So I
Right.
think this activity was more about not just planting it, but also saying some positive affirmations and um, basically making sure that you're also giving some positive vibes to the nature. And
Okay.
the beauty of it was also in the fact that I think हमारे लिए बहुत easy होता है दूसरों को positive बोलना, but I think this is also teaching us कि अगर हम plant के लिए daily if we can say 5 good things, then
Right.
eventually आपका brain ये भी सुन रहा है कि okay, those five words or or praises or whatever good sentences आप अपने आप को भी बोल सकते हैं. So I think
Beautiful.
it's like once you get in there, there's so much to explore. So I think it's activity ke through, it's not just ki there's certain 5 aims you will achieve at the end.
Right.
I think there's so much that you experience and you learn on the way.
So is it like you have certain changes which come about in your own life? Does it help you, since you're a psychologist, does it help you become more of a peaceful person when you are giving positive vibrations to the plants? Or let's say, like you have mentioned very beautifully, that you give out affirmations and positivity to other people, but what about plants? Does that have an effect on us? Do these activities have an effect on changing us in some way or the other? What was the experience for that?
Absolutely. I think like I said, it's a way, in a way it's teaching you कि ये चीज ऐसे की जाती है. And when you're saying these, how you mentioned about gratefulness, I think हमारा brain बहुत beautifully train हो सकता है. हमने उसको जैसे train करना है हम वैसे train कर सकते हैं. तो अगर हमने ऐसे train किया है कि I have to be competitive, I have to do better, even if that means if I have to push someone down, if we are training something like that, or if you're talking about there's so much negativity, there's so much stress, and
Right.
your brain starts learning that it's like a blank slate. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं.
Right.
Certain activities, say when you are probably saying, so you're practicing gratefulness, the brain starts learning ki, okay, there are something that I can be thankful about. And very beautifully you said, I think we don't these are little things, but they mean so much. I mean, आपने बोला कि आप even water को thank you बोलते हैं कि it cleans your vegetables, or you can have it. But अगर हमारे यहाँ एक दिन पानी नहीं आता है, we probably realize कि उसका value क्या है. So I think things like that you start learning, and you're basically from a psychologist's perspective, it would be like कि अपने ब्रेन को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं कुछ डिफरेंट पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए. एंड हमारा ब्रेन बहुत शार्प और बहुत I mean, we are filled with qualities and abilities. It's just that हमने बहुत सारे different चीजें सिखा दी हैं अपने ब्रेन को. So I think these activities were a beautiful way to remind ourselves कि these are the possibilities as well. And जैसे हम वो चीजें नेगेटिव चीजें कर सकते हैं या प्रेशर्ड फील कर सकते हैं, हम मेडिटेशन से काम भी फील कर सकते हैं, हम पीसफुल भी फील कर सकते हैं, हम दूसरों को पॉजिटिविटी दे सकते हैं. So I think there was a lot that these activities offer.
Beautiful. So I think आपने जो अभी बोला, and rightly said, that brings me to the last part of this episode, कि as a psychologist आपका ये सारे experiences करके जो अभी youth हैं, क्या उन लोगों को ये एक्टिविटीज करनी चाहिए? क्या उनको भी इसका पार्ट बनना चाहिए? अगर आपको असर पड़ा है तो आप उन सारे यूथ के साथ में जो ये सुनने वाले हैं, जो सुन रहे हैं, जो लिसनर्स, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर विद देम as an experience as a psychologist? Should they go ahead with this or not?
Okay, so I think the title of this whole program says it all, which is Mountain Movers. I think this is for everybody actually, and more for the youth, क्योंकि जिस phase में वो लोग हैं, I mean, इतना competition was not there in the previous generations. इतना pressure was not there. We are in the middle of a pandemic, which is not there for previous generations again. So I think जो demand है, there's so much that we have to keep doing. जब से हम शुरू, मतलब we are even in early stages, early schooling stages, जब हम शायद ट्यूशन जाने लग जाते हैं. There's so much social media wherein our brain is learning to, the hustle culture is in. I mean, you have to do multitask, and if you don't do enough, if you don't do many things, then you're not good enough. हम शायद ये सब सीख रहे हैं. So I think we all need at this point, और उस हसल कल्चर की वजह से हमको ये भी दिख रहा है कि यही वो एरा है जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा लोग फिजिकल या मेंटल इलनेसेस से सफर कर रहे हैं. So this has to say something beyond, which means शायद हमको एक बार पॉज करके ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम इसे कैसे अनलर्न करें और कुछ रीलर्न करें. I think this is something which, including all of us, youth or elders or whoever is in this space can benefit from. So which means just I think we have to start changing the approach. Right now what we're doing is, okay, statistics says कि हर 4 लोग में से, हर 5 लोग में से एक को डिप्रेशन है इंडिया में, या will at some point have it. Which is to say that's pretty much every family, right?
Yes, exactly.
So one way to go about it, which we are doing right now, is okay, मुझे anxious feel हो रहा है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे depression है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे personality disorders है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. But I think we all should unlearn and relearn the fact कि okay, why can I do something before I end up in that position? So with treatment approach की जगह, can I start doing things differently in my life ताकि मैं वो stage पे पहुंचूं ही नहीं. So I think that is something that I would encourage all of us to do, which is essentially self-care. बहुत important है, शायद हमें वो नहीं सिखाया जाता है, but अपना ध्यान रखना, and self-care can be done in various ways, and one of the beautiful ways is meditation. हमें जरूरी है कि हम अपने brain को ये भी सिखाएं कि I can pause. I don't have to keep running throughout, but I can sit calm. And, when we are searching for happiness and peace somewhere around, probably if I start doing this, I would get my happiness and my peace. So I think I would encourage everyone to consider self-care, bhale hi wo meditation ke through ho, mindfulness ke through ho, social ho, basically building bonds ho around, but anything, exercise ho, gardening ho, painting ho, anything, but anything that I think it's high time we pause and learn such skills, because that will actually help us during this time.
Beautifully said. And I agree with you in the sense, like, unlearn those bad habits, I would put, like putting it together now, end of this program. सारी जो पुरानी जो हैबिट्स हैं जो कि हमें जो सीखी, उनको अनलर्न करना, ताकि हमारे जीवन में जो स्ट्रेस प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, जो हमारे थॉट्स के कारण, जो हमारे एक्टिविटीज के कारण, और हम लोगों से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, ले रहे हैं, instead of giving it to the world, and giving it back to the world actually brings a lot of peace, I believe. वो स्ट्रेस भी कम हो जाता है और हम नई नई चीज़ें लर्न करते हैं. एंड ब्यूटिफुली सेड एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट कि जो हम ये पैंडेमिक के द्वारा भी जो जा रहे हैं, इसमें हमें जो टाइम मिला हुआ है उसको अगर हम इन एक्टिविटीज़ में स्पेंड करें, तो आई थिंक जो भी लिसनर्स हमारे यूथ हैं वो आज समझेंगे कि जो मिसेस ज्योति एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट उन्होंने जो बताई चीज़ें हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत क्रूशियल हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच मिसेस ज्योति. एंड मैं इस प्रोग्राम को एंड करने की कोशिश करूंगा. आप साथ में रहिएगा, बने रहिएगा लास्ट तक. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू अस, ऑल द लिसनर्स. एंड अगर आपको ये प्रोग्राम बहुत पसंद आया हो और अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं इसके बारे में और डीपली, तो आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, और फटाफट कॉन्टैक्ट करिएगा. और हमारा जो ईमेल आईडी है वो आपको मैं बताने वाला हूँ. एक पेन पेपर ले लीजिए, और साथ ही साथ आप एक फ़ोन नंबर भी जॉट डाउन करिएगा, जिसपे आप कांटेक्ट करके इन प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में और डिटेल्स दे सकते हैं और आने वाले यूथ के प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में और पता कर सकते हैं. तो आपका है ईमेल आईडी puneriawazfm@gmail.com, puneriawazfm@gmail.com, और आपका मोबाइल नंबर है 9788099185. मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, 7588099185. तो आप इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. और नेक्स्ट टाइम और भी इंटरेस्टिंग हमारे साथ में गेस्ट स्पीकर्स आएंगे साथ में, और इसी चैनल पर आप उनको सुन सकते हैं. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड इनटू योर चैनल, योर फेवरेट चैनल. द चैनल इज रेडियो पुनेरी आवाज 107.8 FM. स्टे हैप्पी, and spread happiness. खुश रहो और खुशियां बांटो. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका जुड़ने के लिए इस प्रोग्राम में. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mrs. Jyoti.
Thank you so much.